Successful trading requires vigor, character and of course a great trading strategy. And this time I want to present you a trading strategy that has exactly these characters and also great potential for trading on the daily time frame. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to the point. This trading strategy does not rely on exotic or customized indicators, but instead makes use of well-known familiar ones. In this case, the baseline indicator will be the relative vigor index for momentum direction. The ATR will be used for momentum detection and the PSAR will be used as confirmation and as a reversal detector. The strategy is super simple to follow and everybody can use this for manual or automated trading. And as you might already know, I always do automated backtest of my strategies for the most rigorous and trustworthy results. So I created a fully working trading bot strategy for the backtest. And you can download the Python code for this trading strategy from my Patreon site for your own tests and verification. And of course, for your own trading bot too. Now if you want to support me in another way, you can also join my affiliates community on the new bybit.eu by using the code getbybit as a referral. Or if you already are a Bybit EU member, then you can add the code 136780 in the Join an Affiliates community page on your Bybit's account info page. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's very much appreciated by me. But let's continue with the strategy because that's why you're here. In this case we only do long trades because in backtesting this gave me the best results. And the trading rules are as follows. We go long when the relative vigor index is above its signal line and also above the zero line for bullish confirmation. Then the ATR should be above its signal line for detection of momentum, and in this case the signal line is the 20 period moving average of the ATR. And finally the PSAR indicator is below the price, which also indicates an upward trend. Now in all these cases the indicators have their default settings, and you can adjust these to your own preferred settings of course, but be aware that this might cause a curve fitting bias. Now the exit rules are equally simple and contain only two rules. Either of these may apply. Exit when the PSAR reverses and gets above the candles, this will be the first exit signal, or when the vigor index has a cross down beneath its signal line, this is another exit signal. In this strategy I will take profit when I have 100% ROI on the trade, just to lock in these huge profits. I do not use a fixed stop loss, here I trust on the indicators to give me the exit signals. And this might be a risk to you that you don't want to take, and by all means add your own risk prevention rules to the system if you like. The backtest results of this daily timeframe strategy clearly show that this has great potential. When tested on a 5-year period with at least 50 different crypto pairs, I get the following results. The average profit on 2,385 trades is 2.19%. With a 42% win rate and a profit factor of 1.27, this clearly looks to be that we have a good strategy in our hands. Now performance indicators like Sharp, Certina and Calmar are also very optimistic about its performance. The largest drawdown has a maximum of 37% and this is quite normal for trend trading strategies. The other largest drawdowns are 32 and 27%, so you might expect more of these drawdown percentages in the future. Also be aware that not all the crypto pairs perform well on this algorithm, so you have to do some research on your own preferred pairs to trade with. And it might be that those will not perform as well as initially expected. Overall, I think this is a good trading strategy to begin with if you start your journey in trading, or are an experienced trader that is looking for some inspiration to try out other strategies to build further on. But for now, this is it for this video. Please click like and subscribe to this channel if you want to know more future trading strategies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!